Hello, the Lord Nelly here, and in this video, I want to talk about the often overlooked method for turning your opinions into physical products. So, a lot of people in this world are doing digital products, digital courses, services would fall under that because you can do it over Zoom calls or whatever the case. But what about physical products? Selling through Amazon and whatever else. So, you can take the thoughts in your mind and turn it into a physical product. How to do that? Well, it's very common, hard to do, but it's a simple concept, and that is write a book. Make yourself an author and self-publish actually through Amazon Kindle Publishing. And I have done this myself, and it is not a small... I'm not tooting my own horn here. It's not a small feat. It takes some time, dedication, baby steps. It took somebody to tell me that I was capable of writing a book, I guess. I didn't have the confidence myself. So that's one, get the confidence. Two, yes, you are worthy of the knowledge that you're going to give to others. Who am I to write a book type of thing? I'm sure that's going through your head. But there is more knowledge in your mind than you expect. And if you turn that into a book, then you've turned that knowledge inside your head into a physical product. And again, Amazon Kindle Publishing makes this pretty easy to do. I can actually help you with some of the steps. I won't even charge you if you go to buildyourarmy.com/calendar and wanted to set up an appointment on my calendar. I can walk you through how to do that. And how I would benefit is if you head over to buildyourarmy.com/18. I have 18 ways to monetize your mind. So this is one of the ideas that I list in the video there, but there's 18 of them. And by all means, is it not an extensive list, but if you can't build a business with 18 ideas, then nobody can help you. Just kidding. Yeah, no, that's probably not actually a joke. But if you wanted to work with me, and I can kind of give you the lay of the land on how to defy all of the confusion about being a self-published author and creating a physical product with your knowledge, being a book, then the reason I would benefit from helping you in that sense is there's a software that I have that you could then use to sell your book with that software. It's a sales funnel and website builder, and any business owner can use that software to grow their audience, grow their email list, and actually you could ship the physical product being a book through that software as well. And that is at buildyourarmy.com. And I am the Lord Nelly. And in this video, we talked about how to take what is in your mind, turn it into a physical product being a book. Keep building and enjoy your life.